Most of my work is in some way or another related to this idea of home and locations and where things come from. Mixed in with that is a lot of conceptual fundamentals and playing around with different artistic concepts. Hi, my name is Johnny Doley. I'm from Reston, Virginia, and I'm a senior in the painting program here at College of Fine Arts. My show is titled Paintings, Tree Trunks, and Other Movable Things, and was all about different objects and different materials coming together and questioning the idea of where things come from. One of the really cool things about Gallery 5 is that you have complete autonomy in terms of what you set up there. So you could have performances, you could use the space for installation, you could make just a painting show if you wanted, but you don't have to. And you can use the opportunity to really kind of explore anything that you've been thinking about. A lot of people get the opportunity to show. You can apply as a solo show or with 2 or 3 other people. To have a space like that, for me, it was really a great opportunity to put almost all of the different types of things I've been working on into one show and to figure out how to unify it. Through Gallery 5, I was able to experiment, and I feel like I can move forward with combining different elements to express what I'm thinking about.